You know, it's summertime, and summertime means grilling. And there ain't nothing that says grilling more to me than a cheeseburger. What if I told you we could take that classic American cheeseburger and put it over the top? What do I mean? We're going to take that cheeseburger and we're going to add some corn sauce to it. That's my grandkids in the background having a good time on the porch. It's summertime, the best time of the year. Let's make that corn sauce. First thing we want to start with is about a cup of mayo. And I'm just going to eyeball this. Maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less, I don't know. That's about it right there. So I'm going to take the juice of one lime. Take that lime, go like that to it, kind of loosen it up a little bit. And I want to cut that lime up. And then I'm going to take my tongs, put this off to the side like that. Guys, I'm sorry about my grandkids. They're being kids. Kids being kids. Just like that. Now I'm going to take some garlic. Just throw it in there, a couple teaspoons. Perfect. Give it a good mix. Just want all that stuff put together. I'm going to take some hot sauce. Put in some, for color. Now the recipe does call for salt and it calls for cayenne pepper. For this one, I'm going to use some Oman poppies, flipping the bird. I think it's going to be great in here. And we can adjust this recipe as we go. Nice. Now let's try it. That's good. That's got good flavor. Now, I'm going to take 3 pieces of corn. I cooked 4. Well, I'm just going to take 3 pieces of corn that I cooked over the Weber kettle. Cut it up just like this. And we're just going to pour it in to our mix for our corn sauce. Now we need about half a cup of cilantro. Now I know not everybody likes cilantro, and I get it. Some people think it tastes like soap. So you don't have to use cilantro. You could use like Italian basil if you want. Anything along those lines will work. All right, I'm going to put them down in here. We're going to give it a nice stir. I'm going to make a little mess too on the counter. All right, I think it's time to give this a try. Oh my God, that is so good. All right, I'm going to clean up, and then we are going to start on those burgers. So now we turn to the burgers. Now I like the pre-mades, right? I already know that they're going to be a certain size. This is 80-20. I'm going to make 4 of them. I got grandkids, as you saw at the beginning, probably. Just going to put them down here on the Weber kettle, directly over the coals. We're going direct heat on this one. Awesome. I'm going to put some salt and pepper on those, or as I call dude dust. And from there, we're just going to cook them up. Then we're going to add some provolone cheese. Now you add whatever cheese you want. I'm going with provolone. Our burgers are getting close. I'd bring you on a close-up, but hey, you know how to cook a burger, especially over a grill. No big deal there, right? So I got 4 Hawaiian roll or buns. I'm going to take some mayo because I want some toasted buns. Yeah, that's right. A little bit of toasted buns. I'm just going to lightly kiss the top. All right, I'm going to throw these onto our Weber kettle right now. Over the heat source. I do think that our burgers are ready to have some cheese put on. I'm just putting some provolone, nothing big, nothing major. That's not going to take long at all to finish up, maybe a minute and a half. Then it's time, I think, to start building this beautiful burger. Well, we had a bit of an accident. One of the burgers fell on the ground. I'm letting it cool off for Zoe. I think she'll really enjoy it. But, I mean, we still have 3. We're good. 1, 2, 3. So, first one. Oh, look at that. One. I like it. I love gooey cheese. Now, those are our 3 burgers that we're going to be working with. Now, it's time to, what do we want to put on this? Well, for me, I'm starting with that corn sauce or whatever you want to call it that we made earlier. And I'm not skimping on this. For me, I love a burger that just damn near falls apart. Juicy is all get out on every level. So for me, that means more mayo. Also means some mustard. Ooh, pickles. I'm going to Sun Valley's Spicier and Sweet. We did a video on these guys just recently. Killer mustard. All right, now, I already got the pre-cut stuff. It's all good. Just makes it for, it's just easier, right? So, that lettuce is just going to ensure that, you know, this burger's healthy. Awesome. Tomato, put it on there if you want. No big deal. Now, I like onion on mine. So I'm going to put some red onion on these. Not a lot. You could saute your onion. That'd be really good. All right, you ready? Let's cap this. Oh, and the middle one. We're going to put pickles on the middle one. What do you think? And for this, I just went for some bread and butter pickles. Right there. Now, let's take a look at these things. These are burgers of beauty. So let's get a close-up of them. All right, so here's burger number 1. Burger number 2 with our pickles. And burger number 3. Let's lift up the hood. Take a look in there. Yeah, dig it. All right. I think these look really good. I think it's probably time to dig in. All right, so I'm really struggling with which one. I think I'm going to do this middle one just because it has the pickle on it. But feels awesome. Nice and heavy too. Totally the best burger I've ever had. Well, seriously, you get the smokiness from that burger. You definitely get our corn sauce. Oh. Totally 5 White Russians out of 5 White Russians. Totally. This is awesome. All right. Saw how we made it? You can go to the Weber website and type in their summer burger, and they'll have it there for you. Talk to you soon on the next episode. Peace, guys.